In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine videos in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to take multiple video clips and turn them into one smooth, cohesive video, all within Canva's simple online editor. To get started, open Canva in your browser and create a new design. At the top right, choose the option to create a video. You can pick a standard video size, like a horizontal format for YouTube, or any other size that fits your project. Once your blank video canvas opens, you'll see a timeline at the bottom and a main preview area in the center. Now, let's bring in your video clips. On the left-hand side, click on the tab labeled Uploads. This is where you'll add all the video files you want to combine. Click the button to upload files from your computer, then navigate to your videos and select the first one you want to use. Canva will start uploading it, and once it's finished, you'll see a small thumbnail of the video in the Uploads panel. To add that video to your project, simply click on the thumbnail, or drag it onto the blank page in the center. It will automatically appear in the preview area and on the timeline below. Press play to check how it looks and sounds. If the clip is too long or you only need a specific part, you can trim it. Click on the video in the timeline, then look for the trim or scissors option. A trimming window will appear, letting you drag the handles at the beginning and end of the clip. Move these handles until you've selected only the portion you want to keep. When you're happy, confirm the trim and the clip in your timeline will update. Next, repeat the same steps for your other videos. Go back to the Uploads panel, click to upload your next video, wait for it to appear, and then drag it onto the timeline after the first clip. Trim this second clip if needed, again using the trim tool to cut out unwanted sections. Continue this process for each additional video. Upload, add to the timeline, and trim. As you add clips, play through the timeline to make sure everything flows well from one video to the next. When you're satisfied, you'll have a single combined video made from all your clips, ready to download or share directly from Canva.